Alright, hey guys, in this video we are going to be setting up your HTML thank you page. So if you are not doing an HTML website setup, you can go ahead and just skip on to one of the next two lessons. If you are, then let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing you need to do is download the template. And I'm going to give you two different options to download. I'm going to just include the new files just for the thank you page in a separate download, and then I'll include the entire guide funnel again with the thank you page included in it, so you can kind of download it however you want. If you just get the two thank you page files, then all you need to do is add those to your existing website folder on your computer. So on the left here, I have my Vacation Sumo site files set up. On the right is actually where the template is that you're going to be downloading. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the two files over. So I'm going to just copy the thank you page file, and that's going to go right inside this guide funnel folder. I'm going to paste it. And then the other file is going to be part of the CSS, which is just the styles. So it's the ty-custom.css file. It's just the style sheet for the thank you page itself. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that inside the CSS folder here. Paste it. So now I already have that folder. The Vacation Sumo folder added to my Sublime text editor, so I can go ahead and open that up now. We'll do the thank you page file. You shouldn't need to mess with any of the styles, but just so you can kind of see what it looks like. Just pretty much the same as the other one, but not as many styles needed. So this is the template. Let's go ahead and let's add that to open it up in Chrome too. So make sure we get it in the Vacation Sumo one. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let me move the microphone here a little bit. So that's the template, unedited. We'll have to just go in and make these edits. So before I do that, I just want to talk briefly about the affiliate program that I ended up finding yesterday. Just within about 2 minutes of searching, I just went to Google and typed best. Actually, the first thing I typed was best travel affiliate programs, and that really got me, a whole lot of nothing. Just like the basic Expedia and stuff like that, where the percentages are just not enough to even get me excited. So then I thought, maybe try typing vacation package affiliate programs, and ended up finding this one here from bookvip.com. They have all kinds of really cool, cheap, all-inclusive type vacation packages, and many of them are beach vacation packages, so it's even better. Cool thing though is it's a $30% commission on every sale, and you get paid that 30% immediately as soon as they book. You don't have to wait until the people actually travel. So if people book something a year out, a lot of these affiliate programs make the affiliates wait until they actually take the trip to get paid, and Book VIP, it doesn't do that. So just wanted to kind of show you how I really just stumbled on that yesterday. And so I'll be using a couple offers from there on my thank you page here. So this is the inside of their the affiliate program dashboard there for Book VIP. I just signed up real quick yesterday. Super simple, nothing fancy that I had to sign up. It is literally just your name, email, address, your physical address, and then how you want to get paid, PayPal or a check. So, I was gonna record a video showing you how to do it, but it's going to be different for everybody depending on what you're doing, and it's really no different than signing up for any affiliate network. So it's super easy. Other than that, I've just kind of looked around in here inside of promotion, and you go to banners and links. You can get all kinds of a bunch of different types of banners and stuff. So what I did is I already took, you can see this one here, I put it inside of a notepad file. So I got everything that I need right here for my thank you page. I'm going to go ahead and use this text file on off the other screen here. But I'll be using like this banner, and then there's another one for a different Mexico vacation. So let's go ahead and get this HTML template fixed up. So number one, we got a total 8 things to change on here. One thing to mention is that I added this to the thank you page, so just be careful to not like copy this for a page that you want to be public. What this does is it tells the robots like Google and other search engines to not index this page in their search results. You don't want people finding this page. It's not a big deal for the thank you page, but it will eventually. It actually will kind of go against you later on if you are going to end up trying to get SEO traffic. If you just have a bunch of pages that aren't useful. Without a lot of content, it does kind of ding your SEO score a little bit, but not a big deal. Just wanted you to know that that's there, so that you don't just like come in here if you want to create another page and like go like this, copy everything, and then only edit this middle part. So just keep that in mind. All right. So number one is the thank you or the page title, which I am going to keep thank you just like that. Sometimes I'll say either thank you or success or your submission confirmed, something like that, just so that they know, just immediately looking at the page title right there, that what they just did worked. So number 2 and 3 are our Google Analytics code and proof notifications code. What you can do is what I'm going to do here is just take it straight from my squeeze page. So I'm just going to open that up. Right here. So these are both of them right there. This bottom one here is proof, and then this up here is all Google Analytics. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm actually just going to do this and paste. I can get rid of that comment too, just so I know I'm done with that. Cool. So there's not really anything to refresh that page with yet. Next one is going to be the number 4 is the thank you message. So that is this part right here. I already have this done, so they just go ahead and copy all that. And it's going to go in here. I'm going to just paste it all right here, and then I'm going to edit so I can put some of that inside of the highlighted area. So this is what I want inside the highlighted area. I'm going to cut that out and paste it right there, save it, and come refresh the page. So it's a little bit more text than what I had there, but not a big deal. So thank you for requesting our free guide, the 100 best beach vacations in the world. A download link will be sent to your inbox within 10 to 15 minutes. While you're waiting, take a look at these amazing vacation packages. So cool, now we can move on to the first offer. We'll get rid of that comment. Here we go. First offer is we'll copy that. Let's see. So I'm just going to get rid of this whole thing. I can always come back and add, make something underlined or italicized. All-inclusive 5-night vacation at the Grand Serenas Hotel in Mexico. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and copy the banner code that I literally just copied it straight from, I'm going to copy it from this notepad file first, but I just copied the banner code just right from here, like click that right there, Command C to copy it. Sometimes it's a good idea to go ahead and download these images yourself, so it's not hosted on like their server. But because they put it here like that, they're okay with you using an image straight from their server, which in this case is just like a CDN they're paying for. So I'm also okay with that. So I'm just gonna really take out. This is part of the challenging thing is making sure that it stays responsive. So I'm going to actually just make a new line and paste it so that we can just kind of check out what it looks like and keep that other image in there. So it's actually smaller, but it's not going to be responsive. So when this page changes sizes, it's going to end up cutting off wherever the side of that pages. And the way you make it responsive is by using the Bootstrap templates. You just take this, it has to have this class, img-fluid. So we can, I don't know if there's any classes already in that. It doesn't look like it for the image. No. So we can just take this straight from here, from the one I had in there, and add it to the end, and then get rid of this one. The other thing is on the href for the anchor tag. If you want that to open up in a new window, then you need to change this. Like, I'll have to change it. You'll probably aren't copying exactly what I'm doing, but you want _blank for that. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and now come back. All right, so didn't add that margin. See how there's a little bit of margin between this link and that image? It didn't add that, which is what this is supposed to be. And don't really know why. Let's see. Oh, I put it in the wrong thing, that's why. That is not the image itself. That is like a tracking pixel, 1 by 1. So I need to find the image. It's right here. And because they are setting the height and width, that's likely going to mess up my responsiveness. So I'm going to get rid of that. Just see what happens. So that should be responsive now. The way that I always test it is kind of just break this browser out into its own thing here and just see what happens. So yep, so it's moving down. Cool. And now we got that little bit of space there. All right, so let's keep going. I'm going to come back and talk about the affiliate links here in a second. All right, second offer, we're basically doing the same thing, just a different vacation package. So I'm just going to copy this over there. I might want to use highlighting somewhere, but for now I'm just going to put all this in here. And then do the same with the image. Actually, I forgot to edit that link now that I'm looking at this next one. So again, I'll just steal the class out of there. And it goes right here. So this one is just like a square banner. It's going to look a lot smaller, but that's okay. So we'll change this to blank. All right, before I forget, I need to go back up and change this. So I have click here to read more about this vacation package. Save it. So I left urgent message in there. I'll just, yeah, I think I will highlight this part. So all-inclusive 5-night. It's good. Put in the highlight area. Okay. Cool. So the second offer is done. Last thing is going to be your footer text, which is going to be basically the same as your, I believe it's the exact same as your squeeze page. If you want to just copy, you know, like the basic code, you don't copy the paragraph stuff because it has different classes in there. You see, we got this one is small text center footer text. This one's small text center footer text MT5, so it's kind of almost the same. You can just, if you wanted to copy the whole thing, but oops. I'm just gonna go with everything inside of the paragraph tags so that I get all my links and everything copied over, and we'll kill two birds with one stone there. Paste that. Get rid of the footer text. And I already did the number 8, which was the footer links, because it's all on the same deal. Save it and refresh. Cool. Yep, so that is all, that's all the edits on the thank you page. It's kind of all there is to it. One thing I want to talk about is your affiliate link. So look at the bottom of my screen, the bottom left of my screen, you'll see the link for this banner. Oh, I'm sorry. I completely forgot about these links. I guess I should have detailed my notes a little bit better. So I need to change the link at the bottom as well. So I just copy this entire thing right there and remove that hashtag right there, and then do the same down here. There we go. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. So now these should be the exact same link. Cool. Yeah, but what I'm saying, at the bottom left, you see that link. A couple things. First of all, like, it's an ugly link. It's huge and gangly. Like, the chances of it getting broken in translation are higher when the link is that long with all kinds of parameters and stuff like that. The biggest thing, though, is that your affiliate ID and all your affiliate information is visible. It's not what's called cloaked. And if somebody knew what they were doing, they could just remove your affiliate ID and you wouldn't get commission. Not many people know how to do that or would even think to do that, especially on like a mobile device, because you can't see the links themselves. But it is a good idea to do what's called cloaking and for affiliate links and have like a nicer looking link. So when you're doing it in the HTML type pages, it's not as easy to do that. You get a couple options. And one option is you can create your own redirect page, where it's just basically a separate page on your site. So I would go in here and create a page that's like whatever this first one is, like Grand Serenus. I would create a page called grandserenus.html, and then at the top you would really only have a couple meta tags, like the title, and then there's a meta tag called meta redirect, and it allows you to redirect the page, redirect the visitor to another page, and without them kind of even seeing it. So what I'm saying is, I could, these links at the bottom, they could just be like vacationsumo.com/Grand Serenus, when they click that link, they go to that page on your site, but then it immediately redirects, and that you can have it redirect to your affiliate link. That's one option. The other option is to use something like Bitly, which you're probably familiar with. However, Bitly, I believe, at least it used to be that way, for you to have your own custom domain, I believe it's a paid feature. I probably should have checked, but this is the option that I recommend. It's called Short.io. They'll let you have up to 3 custom tracking domains for free on the free plan. You just have to set it up so that it redirects. You would just go in and create a link for every single one of your affiliate offers, basically. So it's not like rocket science to kind of figure that out. I was going to show the setup of it, but I don't think it's necessary. If you have any kind of issues getting it set up, let me know. But what I would do is you create like a subdomain. So if you're using Cloudflare, it's super easy. You just create a subdomain like Go. So I'd be like go.vacationsumo.com, and then you come into Short.io, you paste in your affiliate link. So I would paste in my link from here. I would paste that in here, and then it would spit out a short link. So it would be go.vacationsumo.com / like a random four letter sequence of letters or numbers, whatever it is. And somebody clicks that link, they're redirected to your affiliate link. It's the same deal as the meta redirect on the HTML side. Just with HTML like this, it's there just isn't like a plugin like there is with WordPress. That's what you use like pretty links for in WordPress. So you if you're okay with your links just looking like this, then it's kind of your call. Like I said, not very many people know how to like strip up my affiliate ID out of this link and still make the link work and actually want to go to that trouble. So I just think it's just not really important enough to cover that in here, because like I said, a lot of your traffic is likely going to be on a mobile device anyways, and they're not even going to see it. So the chances of this link breaking are not very good. Like they're not very high, the chances of the link breaking. Obviously, because of this company, the link is still going to be there. Like, it's not going to not be there if you shorten. It's just redirecting more and more time. So the biggest thing is just people taking your affiliate ID out of there. So anyway, I guess before I finish up, I can go ahead and upload this to my server here, the HTML one. So it's this one and public HTML. So remember, I have to upload 2 files now. I got to upload that CSS file and then the thank you page, obviously. So I'm going to refresh this, or maybe not. There we go. So let me drag over thank you.html. Let me go in the CSS folder and then drag over the style sheet. Cool. So now if I go to, what am I, static? Oh, this one is static. And then, so this is the the squeeze page. And if I go to thank you, there is my thank you page. So it's a good idea to make sure that everything uploaded the way it should and all that. So cool. If you have any questions on this, let me know. As far regarding the affiliate links, it's really gonna be a preference thing. Personally, it's easier. Once you get this set up, it's easier to use this rather than having to create a redirect file every time. It's also easier to make that changes for the edits. It's not challenging to set it up either. But if you do run into any issues with that, let me know, and be happy to help. But if not, I'll see you in the next lesson.